Hello traders! Honestly, have you ever wondered why some people achieve stable profits within a month while others still face losses, stress, and an endless search for the perfect strategy? Now imagine that you can earn an income of $10,000 a month, starting with just $100, without spending dozens of hours on charts, without complex strategies, and without the constant fear of making a mistake. Can you imagine? Now let me tell you how this can become possible, and why, if you're not yet using a trading robot, you're literally leaving money on the table. I'll start, and in the meantime, give a like and subscribe. Well, I'm off to open my first trade. First, we select the desired asset on the trading robot, set the required expiration time, and receive a ready signal, which we immediately use to open a trade for the further increase in price. And now, all we have to do is wait for it to conclude and secure the first profit. In the meantime, let's talk about a simple approach to trading. And that's where the whole secret lies. Trade not more, trade smarter. I'm not talking about trivial advice, but about a real working system where the main character is not a person, but artificial intelligence. Your trading robot. I personally developed and tested this tool. Months of feedback, thousands of trades, real market data, and all this to create not just an assistant, but a full-fledged trader assistant that works even better than most people. And why? Because it has no emotions. It doesn't fear, it doesn't get greedy, and it doesn't tire. And all the while it learns. Yes, it has built-in machine learning algorithms that allow it to adapt to the market, notice patterns, and make decisions with an accuracy that many traders can only dream of. And I didn't release it immediately, but it exists for my own reasons, and all because I tested dozens of combinations of indicators, checked strategies on different types of markets at different times and with varying volatility. And only when I saw stable accuracy, stable profit with 91% profitable trades, I realized that's it. It's ready. It can work for results. And now you have the opportunity to connect this trading robot. And you won't just launch an algorithm, you will essentially gain a personal analyst on your team who will calculate the market for you in fractions of a second. And as I already mentioned, it is available to you. It is absolutely free, requires no subscriptions, and you can connect it via the link in the description under this video right now. So I advise you not to miss out on this opportunity and connect it today and right now. In the meantime, I'll lock in my first profit. The first trade closed with a positive result. We have a profit, so we are locking it in. But I suggest we don't stop there, don't miss opportunities, and move on to selecting the next asset on which I want to open my second trade. For this, we refresh our trading robot to the start page. Here you can see all the assets it works with. And now we will choose the necessary asset on the broker we are working with. So I am keeping the expiration time the same. Let's move on to selecting an asset. We currently have a suitable time for trading classic currency pairs, so let's focus on them. Therefore, we select classic currency pairs on the trading robot and then proceed directly to choosing the specific currency pair on which I will trade now. Let's focus on the Australian dollar to Japanese yen. High payout percentage. The currency pair is selected, we choose it on the trading robot, set the expiration time, and receive a signal. We have a signal for a price decrease, for selling, so I opened a trade in the same direction. And I want to delve a little more into the details of how you can work with the trading robot. That is, essentially, you connect it, configure it to your preferences, and it provides you with a signal. It sees things that you might not notice. It analyzes price movements, news levels, volumes, and does this instantly. And your task here is simply to choose a currency pair, set the expiration, and follow the signal. That's it. That's the whole process. And in doing so, you no longer spend hours on YouTube trying to understand what a false breakout or a mirror level means. You just start earning, and now imagine you trade only 2 trading sessions a day, for example, in the morning and evening, just for an hour, with 3 to 4 trades in each session. At the same time, you specify the size of your trade as 3 to 5% of your current deposit and start trading. Once a week, you should review the balance and adjust the size of your trade accordingly. And part of the profit, withdraw, and part leave in circulation. And so week after week And now, while others continue to try, you are already growing your deposit. And believe me, even with $100, you can confidently reach 1,000, then 3,000, and then those very 10,000. The main thing in this business is consistency. And of course, that very tool that does all the hard work for you. And you won't be alone. I also created a Telegram channel where you can see real trading sessions, results, signals, trade analyses, and most importantly, discussions of strategies that enhance the effectiveness of the trading robot you every day. So if you ever doubt its effectiveness, go ahead, look at the results and see for yourself. It all works and delivers amazing results. Meanwhile, look, the second trade has already been opened and closed. You can already secure a profit because it closed with a positive result. As a result, we currently have 2 open trades. All of them closed in profit. With a positive result, we have a profit. So, just like last time, we don't miss opportunities, we don't waste time. Let's move on to selecting the next asset. Let it be stocks. So we choose them on the trading robot. And now we directly select a specific one to open our third trade. So, because I have been testing recently, and I have added, in fact, the OTC market to my trading robot, we will focus on it. We select the desired asset, set the expiration time, and reduce the expiration time to 1 minute per trade. We receive a signal and a buy signal, so I immediately open the trade for a price increase. And I want to tell you once again about this. Look, I use the trading robot myself, as you might have noticed, and I can see how it simplifies my work. It saves a lot of time and makes my trading stable. And essentially, it has become my assistant and can become yours as well. There is a link under this video to connect it. You can install it today, launch it, try it out, and feel what it's like to trade without fear, without guessing, and without constant tension. Still waiting? Then just ask yourself how much time you have already spent trying to find your way in the market. How much money have you lost due to emotions in haste on wrong entries? Now imagine that all of this could have been avoided. Connect the trading robot and start earning systematically. Because in 2025, the winners are not those who take the most risks, but those who use all the tools and technologies available on the market. And now watch. The third trade. It has closed with a profit. You can lock in the profit. So, traders, I will be ending my trading session, but don't miss this opportunity. Take a step forward, connect the trading robot, join my channels on Telegram, and let's grow your capital together. I'm with you, the trading robot is with you, the market is already waiting. Well, I say goodbye to you and see you in the next video. Bye!